Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading Google Earth with your coordinates and files ready. Open a new project, import KML/KMZ, and immediately set units to meters or feet so measurements are consistent. Once done, toggle historical imagery and base layers to identify the best capture date. This improves accuracy. Make sure elevation mode matches your analysis. Clamp to ground versus absolute, because vertical offsets will change area and slope results. Now zoom to your site and lock orientation for repeatable views. You'll now digitize features and capture quantitative data. Draw polygons for parcels, paths for access routes, and save each with a clear name. This helps later exports. Use the ruler to measure linear distances and the elevation profile to calculate slope. These inform grading and drainage decisions. Once features exist, style them with semi-transparent fills and colored outlines to clarify overlaps. Then attach photos or notes for context. This documentation streamlines stakeholder reviews and ensures repeatable, auditable. You finish by exporting your project for analysis or CAD use. Choose KML/KMZ for Google compatibility or shapefile for GIS, making sure attributes and styles are preserved. Next, verify key measurements against independent GIS layers or survey points so you catch systematic errors. If things go wrong, imagery offset, missing elevation, switch historical dates, reproject coordinate systems, or re-import data with correct CRS. Finally, save a versioned copy and document assumptions so others can reproduce or audit your site analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.